I'm going to teach you how to make a zoom through text effect in Filmora X or Filmora 10. So to do this effect, first of all, we're going to make a text. Let's take this basic text, put it here, change it. I'm just gonna type text basically. Let's change it to so now let's go to media and click sample colors. Take the black color and put it behind it. And now after that, take a snapshot by clicking on this icon. After that, let's remove these two and take our snapshot and put it here. And then let's put the video that we want to get the effect on. Let's choose this frame, and yes, we're ready to go. So now what are we going to do is click on composition, this little I don't know, arrow, and let's change it to multiply. And now as you can see the background showing up on the text. It's a very cool effect, as you can see. So as you can see here, it's working really amazing, but you want it to zoom through. So what we're gonna do to make it happen is to click on this icon. Okay, first of all, let's click on the text and this icon. After that, let's zoom. Let's go to the pan and zoom tool, and let's zoom it as much as possible. Okay. And let's see now. So to make it faster, let's reduce the time or the duration of the text. Now let's see if it's going to happen. See, now the effect has applied, as you can see, very smoothly. And if you want to make it even faster, because this was so super slow, we can do it like this. And as you can see, it's now much faster and it works amazingly. So this was the tutorial of today. I hope you really enjoy it. If you did, please subscribe and like this video. And if you have any questions, just please ask me, and see you next time. Bye.